Hey there, this is Charbel. With our current situation, a lot of us are working from home, and we've seen a lot of our clients recently concerned with increased low back frequency and intensities. And that's, as you can imagine, with a lot of sitting we're doing with our homemade desks. It's not necessarily the healthiest fashion we're consuming our time. Not to mention the amount of TVs most of us are consuming as well. So for that, I want to share with you something really quick here. The good old foam roller. A lot of us have it at home. If not, you can use a rolling pin. But briefly today, I want to show you a very basic stuff to reverse all that sitting. Hip flexors become tight, quads become tight, some foam rolling on the quads, and then calf stretch. So for that, put your foam roller down, come down to the ground. You can start with both legs on the ground and you go up and down. Notice I started with a foam roller in the middle of my quads. My feet are hovering, core is engaged. If that's fairly easy, you can put one leg over the other and focus on the leg. You can go all the way up to your knee and down to your hip with that, and again all the way up. You can do that a few minutes, a couple of minutes on the right leg, a couple of minutes on the left leg. If you find a tight spot, stop there and enjoy working that nuts a little bit more. On the future videos, I'll show you how to do a little bit more on the side IT bands and other part of your body. While at it, stay on the ground. Position yourself in this fashion. Some people call it the hip flexor stretch, some people call it the calf stretch, whatever you want to call it. The idea is to create a little bit of a stretch here from all the sitting we do. When the hip flexors becomes tight, it affects your back. Imagine this is a bucket and you want the water to spill from the outside. So we don't want to be in this position here as we're stretching this way. We want to be neutral, if anything, a little bit more of this angle. Try to get a little stretch here. If you want to add a little bit to it, you can put this arm up and lean in this direction, and that will get you an additional stretch here. Hope you implement those and hope that helps you a little bit with your low back tension.